Jesus is great. Hebrews
Homecoming, oh, homecoming.
13 verse 8.
Breman Asikuma Senior High School. Beautiful bus. And then the first time I watched the video, now I subscribe to my channel. Ucan Media. Now I share. Now for free, you be a share. Me that's it.
The headmistress of Breman Asikuma Senior High School, Madam Saraba Odum, the president of the Breman Asikuma All Students Association, Mr. Joseph Foster Gordon, and the entire bus community are inviting all old students to their alma mater for a homecoming derby. This special derby will showcase all year groups and their executives. The theme for the occasion is Zimpa Yesing Ahoya, reviving academic excellence and maintaining a good name. Date, Friday 16th to Sunday 18th September 2022. Time, Friday 2 p.m., Saturday 9 a.m. and Sunday 9 a.m. The activities for the event are as follows. Friday, time with 1982 year group and Aquaba night. Saturday, Grand Derby. Sunday, Thanksgiving service. The special guests of honor would include Honorable Alaji Kobna Ganta, Member of Parliament, Asikuma Ajabeng Brakwa, Basosa 1980, Honorable Lawrence Editua Esiao, District Executive Officer, Asikuma Ajabeng Brakwa, Basosa 2011, 1976 year group who are commemorating 51 years of entering bars, 1982 year group who are celebrating 40th anniversary after bars, 1984 year group who donated generously towards the refurbishment of the dining hall project, 1991 year group who celebrated their 30th anniversary after school last year. The guest speaker of the event is Dr. Kwei Boche, Basosa 1982, Managing Director, QBQ Research and Consultancy Limited, and part-time lecturer, the Mumford University and Chester Business School, under the distinguished joint chairmanship of Lawyer Kweku Yamwa Pentel and Dr. John Kofi Mensah. The following facilities will also be handed over during the event. Refurbished Boys Bath House by 1976 year group to commemorate 50 years of entering bars. Refurbished Dining Hall Annex by 1991 year group who celebrated their 30th anniversary after leaving the school last year, and 1984 year group who supported a worthy cause. 3 refurbished classrooms fitted with electronic boards and other modern gadgets to make teaching and learning easy and exciting by 1982 year group to celebrate 40 years after leaving school. Sponsors: Kingdom Books and Stationery, Bestman Global Merchants, Abronoma Hotel and Event Center, Prank and Daughters Pharmacy Limited, Samtech Books and Stationery, Syndex Limited, Coastal View, Action Publication Limited, Cambo Investment, and Quick and Neat.
Beautiful bus.
Beautiful bus.
Beautiful bus.
Beautiful bus.
Beautiful bus. Beautiful bus.
Zimpa Yesinahunya.
We can't wait to see you. Come one, come all.
Basosas, Basosas. Homecoming, 16th to 18th of September. I hire you, Ucan Media. So subscribe and not subscribe. Go to YouTube, subscribe on Ucan Media, so that any day, anytime, anywhere, upload new videos. You get an opportunity to have it. Always Jesus. As a homecoming, oh, homecoming. 16th to 18th of September 2022, Breman Asikuma Senior High School. Come, let's vibe together. Yeah, then times, Charlie Secondary School is not easy. Yeah, me for instance, I completed 2008. I said, whoa, I said what?
Not just 3
Adriani Ehua,
days,
Lawrence Hope,
not just
Evelyn Bay,
4 days.
Philip Kubans,
Always
Philip Kwenu,
Jesus.
Dicaro,
Always Jesus. Always.
Salame to Abdelai. We have 2. Salah from Asikuma and Salah from Kaswa.
Your Majesty is
But me, I'm Joe Philip.
always.
Philip Ajalabak Jr. Yeah, man.
Your purity is always.
Yeah, 10 times. Even the borders think that maybe the day students are not human beings,
Your
But that is what secondary school thinking.
dignity
Yeah, man, they only move with the borders.
is always.
Day students only move with the day students.
Always.
It was very funny,
Always. Your sovereignty is
And what are the girls? The girls, our beautiful girls, where are they?
always.
Hey, 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 hey.
Always Jesus. Always Jesus.
Always Jesus is out.
Always. Always.
10 times in the one we lie,
Always.
Yeah, na day student, not borders in the trauma who rough. When they see the day student, money said, I said, among school, one who lie,
Always Jesus.
Life is not always like that.
Always.
Yeah, home econs class. Hey, Charlie, me kwaje that style or back up power. Almost share me style, baby. Well, I know. Hey, now he class the men go home. I'm sure so now, sister.
Amazing.
Hey,
Consuming
young come on, she.
fire.
Hey, 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 hey.
Always my
Yes, I only know most of our students I still remember everybody, but in other class it's a bit difficult.
desire.
I also remember cry about, cry about. Waski Zola. Hey,
Always Savior, Messiah, Jesus. Always.
Frisia O2. Yes, I still remember you, A man who appear in tea.
Always.
And Yima.
Always.
As a cum,
Always.
Akolacha Dixon.
Always Jesus. Always Jesus. Always.
Hassan Abdul Dana. Yeah, man, I remember everybody, Hey, come on. Homecoming, homecoming. Yeah, but so uko secondary school na by now, secondary school na gwa keso, in Canada. We have people that their secondary school is no more in existence. I think it's a curse. I know what I'm talking about. Hey, hey.
Always Jesus.
What's in there? And the 16 to 18, Branian chilling bomb with Breman Senior High School. What's it? Zimpa, yes, now here. Then time I'm more secondary school, man,
Always Jesus.
but many feel I'm say yes, good name is better than riches. Me time we be at 4 p.m. Yeah, man, me in feed ha. I come James ha.
Reviving my soul.
4 p.m. home in Antina, and I say, hey Joe, come here.
So
Young Kuskum Kobo so.
so now.
Kobo moto na me fit. Ha. Saturday in the 4 p.m. and Jimmy and Keboman come to China and no min Canada.
Always refining my
What's 4 p.m. in Sri Lanka? Oh, in Sri Lanka. Hey,
always.
we are saying, Moya Papa, Onyan Tunguye. I believe
Always.
one day, I'm gonna give him a gift that is more than that soakings. I really remember, Charlie, you saved my life that day, trust me. If I'm going on the grass, Papa, you feel. That me, I took it like I got a gold,
Jesus, always, Jesus, always.
I said, come, let's cheer together. Oh, come, let's cheer together. Ucan media to the world.
Amazing consuming fire.
Omukolo Development Community High School. Don't mean money school in that. Well, I know. Me kai 2015.
Always my
Me boy bass out no yantuma no. Me de call China culture be. Tai!
desire.
Fair fire no men Canada.
Jesus, you know they tire.
Oh, mo hwe me sa.
We know say we go higher.
We know say we no go higher, you know.
Not just one day, not just 2 days.
Hey,
not
hey,
just 3 days,
hey,
not just
hey.
4 days.
If you have a business and you want to promote it, talk to Ucan Media. If you have a business and you want to promote it,
Always,
just talk to Ucan Media on WhatsApp,
always,
on Facebook, same as Ucan Media, on Twitter, on Instagram,
always,
the same as Ucan Media.
always,
Ucan Media, Ucan Media. Hey,
always, always say be a Messiah.
hey, me kai pa.
Jesus, always,
Sa woman na not on amu wada home no. Ha! Na boys we are fucking.
amazing consuming fire.
I
Always,
say Madam Hannah. Hey!
with my heart desire.
Kasi na ka akotomo no na wakwaje beans wakwaye bibia ansa no watu yaka. The boys ne twa no mo di bia balance akwa akire ho.
Jesus,
Na ba akwa akotomo no akwaje ga no mo di a plus we hula no. Ha!
you know they
Ba ne the strategy bi buy ma ebe ha boys ankasa men Canada.
tire. We know
Hey.
say we go higher.
Ne ba ne so to mo na atiaka ho na okoto beans atiaka ho na. Ah chale.
Yeah, man.
And well, the time we instituted our method, you know. Hey, boys, yes, fucking.
It's always,
Yeah, maybe in a borders in it, maybe in a borders in the informal because in a borders in the year.
purity is
Omo di omo your diet to Danny ho we lie no.
always. Your dignity is always.
Yeah, one day when I came to China,
Your suffering
one Chinese man told me something I will never forget it.
is always, always.
Hey!
Always.
Unim ni Chinese man ka kire me. Me nyesho say unim. Ani ti na makaza tami kuchu.
Yeah. Always.
Well, Chinese man picture say uko school a ubenya adwuma papaya your classmates. That is why the Chinese people no omo pese omo bakọ high school because they want no ministers say ma we have dignities with their kids over there. Like that should be so move school
Jesus, always Jesus.
since they are friends.
Always.
To connect them to get a better job in future is very simple. Because fans are better interview, you know, not my classmates not all. Come on, and a plus, you see.
Always.
It's not more bokade high school for them to meet the people with good job and they are into government, you know.
Always.
Mindy said me 2008 batch was SS. Me ban interview na so be a manager be deny me offer that. Me Canada.
Always.
Yeah man, it is a akwala na so the no school papa. Say beautiful basa.
Always Jesus. Always.
Now on 2 seconds when will I know?
Jesus.
Maybe that time the crown send to me and you'll get the results for you just live a good life. You're gonna make it one day. Yeah man.
Always.
Here is Ucan Media.
Always.
So I won't subscribe here. I urge you to subscribe. Kindly subscribe to Ucan Media.
Always Jesus.
Share, comment, like.
Jesus. Always Jesus.
By the end of December,
Always.
you can stand a chance of winning a very brand new phone. Yeah, this is not our first time. We have a lot of phones here, you know. Whatever phone that you want. You can what? You can get it on Ucan Media. That's the only platform that give gift to their followers, you know. It's never happening anywhere. Hey! Oxybi, Oxybi. Yeah, man, I know most of the science students, you know. But the other students, I know them, but their names, you know.
Always Jesus is kind. Always Jesus is nice.
Baba Mika, you for quiz me in 2008 batch, Nina, you lose you.
Always
We lost to our seniors.
Jesus
We lost to our juniors.
is fine.
Hey!
Always
I still remember everything.
Jesus is mine. So kind, so fine, so nice.
Hey!
Always
Hey!
reviving
Hey!
my soul.
Hey! Hey!
So kind, so fine,
Yes, oh well, you're a bad student and not pay promotion to your business. You're in charge, you're being free, man. When will I know? Facebook, the whole Asia, nobody.
always refining
You're bro with Facebook.
my good.
Man can't out.
Always,
I posted a video that was less than 2 weeks. I got almost 15 million views, you know.
always, 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 always. Always Jesus, always
So talk to Ucan Media on WhatsApp
Jesus,
0545
always
333
amazing
543.
consuming fire.
I repeat,
Always my
0545
heart desire.
333
Jesus, you know the
543.
desire.
The name is Joe Philip.
We
Now Ucan Media.
know say we go
Hey! 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 Hey!
higher.
Yeah, I extend my greeting to Madam Selma. In some time ago, I came to you in Suezbu.
Not just
You were still continuing your hard work in there.
2 days, not just 3 days, not just 4
I pray that Allah bless you, you know.
days.
Pass me, oh, pass me. Not forgetting Le Cranche.
Always Jesus, always,
Hey, 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 hey.
always,
Nana.
always,
Ha, Nana bomb Chalibi pa. Ha, monkai.
always,
Sans grass monkai. Ha, or bomb Chali. Boom sacrum for. Oh, we are not the code the Carlos. Tie!
Savior, Messiah, Jesus,
Not the call Oxybi.
always,
Oforiata. Ha!
amazing,
Nana pa, dear, Nana bonnet, dear, Charlie, the bow, so the uncle, I'll be sorry that day.
consuming fire.
Hey,
Always
hey,
my heart
hey,
desire.
hey, hey.
Jesus, you know the desire. We
One team in Cape Mommy.
know say we go
But please, let's all meet coming 16th to 18th.
higher.
Breman Asikuma Senior High School
Your majesty is
in Central Region.
always, always. Your purity is always. Your dignity is always.
Ucan Media is coming live.
Your sovereignty is always.
Ucan Media.
Always.
Hey, hey,
Always,
hey,
Jesus,
hey.
always.
Me.
Jesus, always.